Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm playing Monkey's Place. Now this game is new to me, but my friends are telling me it's a pretty good game. So I'm playing it today. So we're gonna first go into the shop. Oh. I see that something down there. Yeah. Go down. Oh shoot. You can't play. Can't play anything. Enable. Is this a mirror? Yeah, it is. I don't know what's going on with the air. Oh shoot, color. It's not letting me do that either. Probably gonna have to go into it. Well, I'm probably not able to do it because I'm not in the public. Limited cosmetics. They're upstairs if you buy them. And what's up here? Limited cosmetics, probably like Valentine's Day. St. Patrick's Day. Alright, so there's only St. Patrick's Day and Easter. What's up in this one? Valentine's collab with Monkey. Alright, nice. Don't know what that's. Phone. Don't know what that does. Shavers. Drumsticks. Glasses. iPad, I'm guessing. Alright, it's like a gun. Press A to go drone monkey. That would be worth buying. Well, I'm not gonna look at everything in the shop. I'm just gonna walk through it real quick. Oh, what's this? Egg? Let's just quickly. This is in a whole different area. And there's this thing. Seems like you. Ticket machine. Yep, drink machine. 35 banana. Oh, you gotta. Oh, that's what that is. It's a bowling thing. Oh, got that many bananas. I'm probably never gonna get that many clicks somehow. 100 clicks at least. There's like so much to do in this game. They were not lying. Food, just food. Yeah, that's back to there.
Boom and open with me to get boom. Ding dong, ding dong, a lang, a lang, a lang. Oh, 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 dip, a bit, but dip. Oh, life could be a dream. If only your
I like how they put posters everywhere. It reminds me of FNAF. Like that. I think that's the horror monkey. It might be. Yeah, we already went down there. Alright. So shop is done, and I think we're already like, what, 10 minutes into the video? Special maps. Can't go down there. What's this? Wind push area I already know about. But when you first come in, it gives you a little tutorial video right there. Then you can actually go and you use A and B to move around. Got little rocket things on your hand. I don't really get the point of it though.
Welcome. This is the tutorial.
Oh yeah, there's that. Monkey Lab, I have no idea what that is. World's hardest jump. I'm trying. Almost. One more time and I'll continue. Didn't even get closer that time. Alright, this is just all black, isn't it? Over here. Okay, there's nothing. Did you go up here? Nope. Oh my god, could you like go up here? I think you can go up there because I kind of. Oh no, you can't. Just think because there's light right there. Club, there better not be a pole, and there is. Oh, you could choose a song. Ice. Apparently, you need to be inside of You need to be inside of a server to act, or like just a code to actually do anything. All right. Oh, they got a movie theater. What's up here? Camera. All right. Trying to get as much of this done so I don't gotta do multiple parts, because if you watch the walking bean that I made, it was a freaking hell, dude. Only the OG people would know. Hypermap. Yeah, I think it's called that because you like freaking go so fast. It would be cool playing like Infection in there. Probably make a video off that. Maybe. I already did shop. Got all that done pretty quick. Alright, now for ice. I think it's pretty small. Yeah, it is. Oh, what's down here? Uh-oh. I don't want to go to another room. I want to keep... It's making me think... How do I get back? Am I going to space? Nope. Alright, slides. Just go down one. Yo, what? Oh, shoot, if I hold down the button under trigger, the one that's the other trigger, smaller one, freaking teleports back. I don't like that. So I'm just gonna go down the slide. Oh yeah, and I've seen someone go down here before, and there's a collectible in here. Guys, I have most of the collectibles already because I played like 10 minutes before, because this is literally my first time playing I didn't explore everything though, guys. Yeah, I did go in here too. It's pretty cool. The door doesn't work though. There's another one. That scares me a bit. I just think I'll leave it in here. Right, no, now the other ones. Oh, what did it just make? I don't. No, I actually think I will be involved in it. Put it in the fire there. Alright, back here. Don't know what this is. Just forest. Y'all sure all know what that looks like. If you don't, then go play Gorilla Tag now. Alright, that's pretty cool. Y'all will later off camera. I'm gonna make a short on this, and it's gonna be like name that one kid at the pool, since he's like freaking peeing. Alright, I saw some things down here like this. I don't know what that is though. Let go. Alright, quickly, beach chairs, beach, sand, wet sand. Nice. Yep, we can go up. Said up, not down. On the chairs, go up, 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 up. Alright, this is the waterfall, isn't it? Yeah, it's the waterfall. I'll go back down this way. It's over here. Alright. It's like a secret door. Alright, next we're done there. And then, did we go in here? I don't think we did. Oh. Is this caves? Yes. Seems like it. Alright, quick cave exploration. There's all that. Banana. Okay, you gotta like mine in here. Go mining. I'm a banana rock. As y'all know, it's just a cave with banana with rocks that's got huge bananas in it. With context, I'm not saying that out of context. What I mean, oh my god, bruh. Oh shoot, it's like, did they combine? Yeah, they did. He's got really long arms now. Hold up. Let me look in the fire. Alright, yeah, let's just get away from that. Alright, all that done down here now. Fun seesaw, yay, I hope it works. And guess what? It does. Bam, bam. Alright, what's in here? Oh, it's just that slide. It leads down here. And then another slide from up here. Nope, get away. Bye-bye. So another slide. This one leads down here. Alright, this is done. What's this one for? Yep, something in here. But I'm gonna walk up it. Don't ask how I'm doing it. In Gorilla Tag, this usually is not possible. I'm using all my strength. Oh, what's this? Up here, nice little. No, well, can't go down the slide now. But it will go down to that through there and then come out there. Alright, next. Up here. That seems like it's gonna send me somewhere, is it? Yep, it did. Where am I now? No, no! How do I get back? Can I, like, swim? Nope. Alright. Oh, and I'm gonna have to leave it. Go back. Alright, so that thing sends us to space. So now it's just a game mode. I'm hoping this video don't get too long. Because when I make them real long, it won't let me upload them to my camera roll from the Quest app. Alright, yeah, we already did. Oh god, that scared me. What's down here? I want to know, my friending. My ding-a-ding. Holy shit, that's horror. This is horror, right? Yep, that's horror. Level 1 maze. Alright, so there's levels in this. Just like any other game that's based on Gorilla Tag. Levels. Alright, well, I'm not gonna check out all the levels, but I jungle mode beta. Come on! Hurry, alright, so you're just playing infection in the jungle. Wait, how do I get out of here? I want to get out from here. Have I ever wanted to throw poop at my friends? Yes. How did you know? Do I get monies for it? Alright, is that the escape? How to get out? I'm gonna do it. Speed run. I don't think there's a possible way to get out of here. Yay. You make my balls hurt. Oh my god. This game is pissing me off. Alright, up. No, I don't want to join. Can you at least climb the vines? Ah. Oh, nice. Let me get some of that. You heard nothing. Vine? Shit, oh man. Hold on, can I go up the water fountain? Please, please, please. Tell me I can. Oh my god, bruh. What is that? What is that? The only thing I hate about this damn game is that how the fuck you get back? We're gonna have to leave it again. So alright, let's just get in Yeah, we're gonna have to leave the game every time to switch. So far, I'm gonna give this like a 8 out of 10. Because it's not the best game. Though there is much to do. There's a bit, like, you know, not too much, but, you know, like a little. Alright, battle. Oh my god. Chimp chase. Can you shoot yourself? Bro, but chimp chase. This is just chimp chase. By the way, guys, I hate chimp chase. Like, now, I used to not hate it, but I do hate it now. Only because the toxic kids. I pull out the AK one time. They start calling me AK kids, so like, I reported all of them. Yeah, I did. I was using an AK, but why does that matter? Alright, well, the guns aren't that realistic, but I like them. Alright, again, we're gonna have to leave and go back. Go back and oh my god, hurry up! There's like a bit too much to do in this game. You know, it just hurts your head. From how much there is. Alright. Super Monkey. I'm expecting this to be like Super Monkey.
Oh, someone joined. Hey!
Hi.
I reset all my Super Monkey data because I was bored. I had to restart my game, but
Yo,
yeah, I'm just completing all.
how do you play this? Because I just got this game.
Oh, you just got this game?
Yeah.
Yeah, this game's like kind of old. The owner made a new game, so this is still good. You know, there's donor,
Yeah,
trusted user, and also a gambling machine.
Yeah, but there's like a lot of stuff to do in this game.
Yeah, there's club, there's everything.
Well, guys, I'm gonna end this
parkour.
video right here on Monkey's Place.
Right.
But I might make some more videos on it. I might, because it's too much. But
Yeah!